It's time for a Quail update. Everything has been going really well since the last update, so the only real change I've made to the enclosure is I've added some pine shavings to the bottom. That way it makes it easier to clean. And throughout the past week, I've saved up quite a few eggs, so today we're gonna go through the garden and see if we can find some more ingredients to make a nice breakfast. The first thing that we're gonna harvest is some cassava, also known as yucca, and this is a root vegetable, so in order to harvest it, we have to pull it up out of the ground. Because it's a starchy root vegetable, cassava can be prepared in many of the same ways you prepare potatoes. The only difference is it takes a little bit more time because you have to peel off the outer skin because that contains cyanide, but I'll show you how to do that later. The cool thing about cassava is that it grows from cuttings, so once you're done harvesting, you can chop the stalk into pieces, stick it back into the yard, and you'll have more to harvest later. I harvested some rosemary and Italian oregano, and we're ready to get to cooking. Today I'm making soft-boiled quail eggs inside of a hash brown nest. First step is peeling the cassava, so make a cut all the way down the root. Then by using the edge of your knife, you should be able to see where the two layers meet, and then you can go ahead and peel off that outer layer all around the root. Then I just cut it into quarters, remove the hard inner core, and then you're ready to grate it like a potato. Then I added our chopped herbs, some salt, some pepper, and a quail egg, mixed it all together, and made little cups inside of a muffin tin. I baked them in the oven at 500 degrees until they were a crispy golden brown. While we let those cool, we're gonna soft boil our quail eggs. I brought water to a boil, added the quail eggs for 2 minutes and 10 seconds, then removed them and placed them into an ice bath. After peeling the eggs, I sliced one in half, and the outside is perfectly cooked, but the inside is nice and runny. I added a soft boiled quail egg to each one of the cassava hash brown nests, topped it with salt and pepper, and there we have it. Breakfast is served. These came out even better than I expected. But now it's time to see how they taste. First bite of a soft-boiled quail egg inside of a hash brown nest. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Let me know if you'd try this, and get outside and see what you can find.